What's up, guys, and I hope you're having a great day today. We're back out here in the shop, and if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of videos coming. Support the channel, subscribe, and stay tuned. So in today's video, we'll be finishing up the Maytag Bravo Dryer that we started, and we've got our blower wheel in right here. So we're gonna vacuum that out and install the new blower wheel. Okay guys, so today we got this Maytag Bravos. It's a dryer, and the customer complaint was that it makes some kind of banging noise when it... To begin with, we'll remove the cover here, and you just got 1/4-inch screws holding that, so we'll go ahead and take that off.
$95 a month. Visit ooma.com. That's OOMA, or call 866-649-9377.
So unhook your door switch once you get the lid off. I just got it tilted back there, and it's sitting on the basket so that it doesn't tug on this wiring harness. From there, you'll unhook the door switch, and you got one star bit here, and then there's one here, and we also got this cover off here. So as you can see, it looks pretty nasty in there. This dryer is just making a loud banging noise, so I think it's inside the blower wheel. There's pieces broke off, so this cover here just pops off. You got 2 clips. Get you a putty knife or clip remover like so, and press that down and pull it towards you, and that will come off, and then it's got the little feet for the bottom. So then you'll be able to see the 1/4-inch screws on here to remove the door.
Can money buy happiness? Win $1,000. Let us know. It's 4K a day, and in exactly an hour from now, maybe it would make today better. Look at this. A few things that would be sure. And you know what? So it's all in the process of being done away with right now. But at one time, that's why they were going to do it that way. Policies that you cannot get your car passed, and if it doesn't pass inspection, it's done. You could spend hundreds of dollars and then you're done. Well,
Looks pretty nasty. Guys, look at all that lint caked up on the motor and heating element. That's not good, guys. That's where our noise is coming from, so we'll be replacing that. And we're gonna go on the computer and look up what kind of shaft that is and what kind of clip we're missing, or if it just came unscrewed. So to get it off, you're gonna unscrew it this way, and you're gonna want to hold the shaft on this side on the motor pulley. What's up, guys, and thanks for coming back. We're just out here working on the dryer, and we've got our parts in. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So now we're gonna want to you want to open up your door, look inside, and get the model number so that we can find the correct part and replace the blower wheel, do a maintenance on the dryer, on the rollers, clean everything out, clean it up, vacuum it, and it's gonna run like new again. Okay guys, now that we got it nice and clean and we can actually see where to put our wrench, I'm just gonna let it catch here on the bottom and have it hold itself. This is what the new one looked like, and so this nut and piece here is still attached to the motor. So I just got this hammer here and I nailed it right there in the middle. So now we'll just take it out in pieces. The blower wheel broke apart in the center and the nut was still left on the motor shaft. So we have to take this off before we can install the new one. I tried using a pair of channel locks at a very bad angle. There was no luck and they kept slipping off. Still can't get it off, so next thing I'm gonna do is pop this clip off, which you'll stick a flathead screwdriver and pull that towards you. And we got our pipe wrench here. As you can see, the arrow here, it points in this direction, so to tighten it, we're going to go counterclockwise. Now we're going to use this wrench to hold the shaft in the back. And today I'll be finishing off the Maytag Bravos. We also got the idler pulley oiled up and we got our rollers here greased up, so this thing is gonna run like new. So we have the door panel on. Next we're gonna hook up the door switch. Okay, now time for this lower section here. That looks a little dirty. So you'll see these cut-in slots here. They're for the brackets up here. So all you want to do is align that like so. So just align the two bottom brackets, push that up, and just snap her in. We got 2 minutes left on the time. The dryer is running and heating, and I think it's as quiet as they are when they're new. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So now we just got to get in the office and give our customer a call.